Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. In today's video, we are working on a problem in the applications of integration. We've got a curve that is shown in the diagram alongside for x is greater or equal to 0. And R is the region bounded by the lines y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3 and the y-axis. Now we are required to find the volume of the solid that is generated when the region R is rotated 360 degrees above the y-axis. Now when we have a rotation about the y-axis, we use this formula, all right? But when we have a rotation about the x-axis, we are going to use V is equal to pi y squared dx. This is about the x-axis, right? And this is about the y-axis. And we are going to use that, all right? Now, if you look at that equation that we have there, we can make x squared the subject of the formula. So we are going to say x squared is equal to y plus 4. And then we are going to take this into that formula, all right? So we are going to have the volume V is equal to pi. You remember that region is bound by the lines y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. So we are moving from 1 to 3 on the y-axis. And then our x squared, you remember, is y plus 4. So we put it at that place, all right? So we're going to have y plus 4, then dy. Now we are going to integrate that. So we're going to say now volume V is equal to pi. Now when we integrate that, you remember we add a 1. There's y to the power 1 already. We add a 1, so we're going to have y squared. So that is y squared, and we divide by 2 plus 4y. That is from 1 to 3. All right. So now we can say volume V is equal to pi. Now y squared, that is 3 squared, you're going to get a 9 over 2. Then plus 4 times 3, that is 12. All right. And then we are going to subtract that from, we put a 1 into y, we get 1 over 2, then plus 4. All right. Now we can just simplify what we have there. Then we are saying V, the volume, is equal to pi. Now if you simplify what we have here, you're going to have 33 over 2. That's subtracting 9 over 2 on that other side. Then we can say our volume V is equal to pi. If you add that, you're going to get 24 over 2. All right. Therefore, we say the volume that is required is equal to 12 pi, because 24 divided by 2 is 12. And these are units cubed for volume. Okay. Thanks for watching. We've come to the end of this session. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.